Hi everyone, and welcome to another JavaScript tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to create a new string by removing the first and last characters from a given string. This is a common string manipulation task in programming. Let's dive right in and learn how to do this efficiently. Our task is straightforward. We'll take a string and remove its first and last characters. For instance, the string JavaScript will become AvaScript. Let's break down how to achieve this step by step. Here's the implementation. The function without first end takes a string as input and uses the substring method to remove its first and last characters. This method extracts a portion of the string based on the specific start and end indices. Let's look at how this works in detail. Here's the process. First, we check that the string is long enough to perform the operation. Then, we use the substring method starting from index 1 to exclude the first character and ending at the second to last index to remove the last character. The result is a new string with the first and last characters removed. Let's see an example. The input is JavaScript. The function removes the first character J and the last character T, resulting in AvaScript. It's simple and effective. Here is another example. The input is JS, which only has two characters. Removing both the first and last character results in an empty string. This demonstrates how the function handles edge cases. In this example, the input string is PHP. After removing the first and last characters, only the middle character H remains. This showcases the function's precision in string manipulation. Here is the ES6 version of this function. Using an arrow function, make the code more concise while maintaining the same functionality. The logic remains unchanged, but the syntax is more modern and compact. To summarize, this program efficiently removes the first and last characters of a string using the substring method. We've also seen how to handle edge cases and simplified the function with ES6 syntax. This method is versatile and can be applied to many real-world scenarios. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I will see you in the next one.